There's a lot of new features in Photo Booth Connected 2.0, but the most exciting one I think is the addition of the booth mode, which essentially allows it to work as a plugin for Breeze to add social media uploads right at the booth. So before Photo Booth Connected used to only work in kiosk mode, which was good for a social upload kiosk away from the booth. But now if you set it to booth mode, you install and run it on the same machine as Breeze, and as soon as you start it up, it's going to minimize itself, and then it's going to monitor Breeze's output folder for new photos, and then it'll take over and seamlessly integrate with Breeze to allow you to have social media uploading. So there we go. You can see it just minimized itself. And now let's start up Breeze. Now I've made my backgrounds in Breeze the same as my background in Photo Booth Connected. So when Photo Booth Connect takes over, it'll be seamless. So I'm only going to take one photo. I'm not going to do a strip. And here's my processing screen. I'm still in Breeze at this point. And now the Breeze is done. I am now in Photo Booth Connected. See how seamless that was. It comes up with 6 different options for filters. You can have your regular color, black and white, sepia. You can have some of my take on some vintage filters here. You can turn this feature off if you don't want to do the filters too. But once the users select it, the style they like, just like the original Photo Booth Connected, they can email, you can Facebook, you can upload to Twitter, you can send the photo via SMS, or they can print from Photo Booth Connected. You can also still print from Breeze if you want, and you can disable that feature. When I hit the close, I'm back in Breeze. You can see I'm going to take another photo. And we're back in Photo Booth Connected. So you can see, you really can't tell the difference, and we've added filtering and social media uploading to Breeze. If we go back to the settings of Photo Booth Connected, just to show you some of the new features too. Nothing's really changed in the email, the user Facebook, the client Facebook, Twitter, SMS. The new stuff's up here. And the printing has been added, so you can print right from Photo Booth Connected. This is mostly useful if you're using it as a kiosk mode, since you'll be able to print from Breeze if you're at the booth anyway. Filters, you can turn this on and off, and you can filter the entire image like I was showing in the demo, or you could filter only select areas. It's mostly useful if you're sending already composited photos to Photo Booth Connected and you don't want things like your logo or maybe the overlay of the print template to be filtered, and you only want the photos to be filtered. So you can define up to 8 areas of where your photos are, their size and the location, and only those areas will have the filters applied to them. The overlay is also useful if you're an event photographer and you're not using photo booth software where you're doing your compositing. So if you're using an iFi card and you just want a logo superimposed on all the photos that come in, you can do that here. The queue is if you are offline when you're using this and you want people to still type in their emails or SMS, or you want photos to eventually go up to your client's Facebook page. This will queue them up, and when you're back online, you can upload them then. You won't be able to queue user Facebook or user Twitter uploads because they need to be able to log in, and if you're not online, the users won't be able to log in. And the reporting tab is also new, and this shows the number of prints, emails, Facebooks, Twitters, SMS that you've used per event, and you can reset each of those there. So if your client wants a report or if you're charging per prints, you can find that info there. So that's a quick tour of the new features of Photo Booth Connected 2.0. Should be releasing very soon, and I hope you like it.